second place for Heritage High School, Jonathan Pierce. And in your 150-pound winner from Poquoson, Reed Booth.
Let's go, AC!
Our next big class, the 165-pound division, Luke Murray from Peninsula Catholic. Luke is a senior with a record of 14 wins, no losses. Luke is first in state 2024 and first in the region 2024.
I did it on purpose.
Our next battle is from Breckenridge High School, Aiden Christian, a junior with a record of 11 wins, 4 losses. So we get all
Let's go, Aiden!
finalists to the podium. All 157 finalists to the podium.
He won.
Dude.
Oh my God.
Fight!